Imagine waking up one morning to find that the money in your pocket is worth a lot less than it was the day before, and everything you need to buy now costs a lot more. This is the harsh reality of inflation. In this video, we are going to explore the shocking truth about inflation and when we can expect prices to come down for everyday items. We will look at the current state of the economy and what is causing the high inflation rates we are seeing. We will also examine the impact of inflation on our daily lives and what we can do to protect ourselves from its effects. First, let's take a look at what inflation is and how it works. Inflation is a sustained increase in the general price level of goods and services in an economy over a period of time. It is measured as an annual percentage increase in the cost of living, and it can have a major impact on our standard of living. When inflation is high, the purchasing power of our money decreases, and we can buy fewer goods and services with the same amount of money. So, what is causing the current high inflation rates? There are many factors that contribute to inflation, including an increase in the money supply, economic growth, and supply and demand imbalances. When there is more money circulating in the economy, and the demand for goods and services is high, businesses can raise their prices, and this drives up inflation. Additionally, when there are supply chain disruptions or shortages of certain goods, companies may increase their prices to take advantage of the situation, and this also contributes to inflation. Now, let's talk about the impact of inflation on our daily lives. Inflation can affect everything from the cost of groceries to the price of housing and even the cost of health care. When prices are rising, it can be difficult to make ends meet, and it can be especially hard for people who are living on a fixed income. Additionally, inflation can also affect our savings and our investments as the value of our money decreases over time. So, when can we expect prices to come down for everyday items? The answer to this question is not a simple one, as it depends on many factors, including the state of the economy and the actions of policymakers. However, there are some signs that inflation may be starting to slow down, and prices may be coming down in the near future. For example, the Central Bank of the United States has been raising interest rates to combat inflation, and this has helped to slow down the economy and reduce the demand for goods and services. Additionally, many companies are starting to see a decrease in their profits as consumers are becoming more price conscious and are looking for ways to save money. In conclusion, inflation is a complex issue, and it can have a major impact on our daily lives. However, by understanding what causes inflation and what we can do to protect ourselves from its effects, we can better navigate these uncertain economic times. We will continue to monitor the situation and provide updates on the state of inflation and what we can expect in the future.